breaking news coming in. Same-sex hearing in the top court. SC hints at extending ambit of Special Marriage Act. CGI says society and law has evolved. CGI post scrapping of 377. Same-sex ties not one-off physical change encounters but stable emotional union. CGI says not wrong in expanding ambit of 69-year-old Special Marriage Act to include the same-sex union. My colleague Harish is joining us to give us more details. Harish, the CGI has said that it's not wrong in expanding an ambit of 69-year-old Special Marriage Act to include the same-sex union. At this point of time, the same-sex, marriage, the SC has hinted out at extending the ambit of the Special Marriage Act. Give us more details.
Yes, so that's right. Very significant remarks coming in from the Chief Justice of India, who is heading a 5-judge constitution bench, which is hearing a batch of 19 petitions seeking legalization of same-sex marriages in India. In fact, the strongest hint yet by far from the bench that the Supreme Court is considering amending, making changes in the Special Marriages Act 1954, a 69-year-old law, to allow to assimilate the same-sex marriages also, and also given legal sanctity to special same-sex marriages also in India. The Chief Justice very significantly said that after the decriminalization of homosexual acts, that is scrapping Section 377, there is a marked change in the society. The society and the law has evolved. Now the same-sex relationship is not just one of physical chance encounter, but it is observed that it is stable and also involves emotions. So certain rights like registration of marriages should also be allowed. So these were very significant oral remarks made during the hearing today. The Supreme Court also going on to say that there is nothing wrong in expanding the ambit of the 69-year-old law, and in fact the Special Marriage Act only provides a framework, and new concepts which have emerged later can also be assimilated. Remember, the Chief Justice also, the bench also said that the Special Marriage Act was enacted to allow people who had no belief in personal laws to marry, and therefore this new concept which has evolved can also be, in fact, assimilated. The bench also said that the court is not bound by the original interpretation, and it can always be expanded. Remember, even yesterday, the Supreme Court had made such a similar comment and said that if the Special Marriage Act is amended for the benefit of the same-sex couples, in fact, the Section 4 of the Special Marriages Act says 2 persons can marry if the male completes 21 years and the female completes 18 years. So right. If amendment can be like a male and female can be called persons, husband and wife can be called spouses, and also two women who marries can marry at a minimum age of 18, and 2 male can marry at an age of 21. So very significant remarks coming in from the Supreme Court hinting that it might interpret the Special Marriages Act to allow same-sex marriages in India.